we're in Magic Kingdom. It is day 4 of the park, and I'll see you in there. We're in the line for Big Thunder Mountain. I don't know if the intro earlier worked, but we're in Magic Kingdom, and we're about to get on Big Thunder Mountain for the first time today. I'll see you on the ride. I forgot to push record.
Where'd they go?
They're down there. Whoa!
They fall off, you should take them off.
I took them off, but they fell. Well, I missed the wildest part of the ride, but we're gonna ride it again later, so it'll be okay. I'll see you guys at the next thing. Quick stop. We are at Beauty and the Beast to be our guest quick service, and we're getting a quick bite to eat. Then it's back to the rides. This time, took my ears off. I left them with my mom. I have my bag wrapped around my ankle. So I didn't film it last time, but I lost my earrings and they almost fell off. What are we about to do for the 6th time?
Oh, I thought you were taking a picture. Start over.
I'm leaving it.
Oh,
what are we about to do for the 6th time?
Big Thunder Mountain.
Are you tired of watching it yet?
No.
No.
Dad's
you're not.
tired of watching it, but I'm not.
Or you think they're tired of watching it?
They are probably tired of seeing us.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. I went all the way forward and almost hit my head in this. Right now we're in the line to ride Splash Mountain. Are we gonna ride in front this time? We're gonna see if we can ride in the front, but I'm gonna take my ears off because I know I'm gonna lose them. Alright, we're riding in the very front with no ponchos. This is the seat that gets the most wet. So I have my bag in a poncho, but I'm not wearing one. I already have a hand up, so we're gonna count that for me. Oh my goodness. What's our next thing?
Head to toe.
Seven Dwarfs Mine Train thing. We're gonna do some things in between because we've got some time for it.
That'll be cool.
Yeah, I was hot, so now I'm not. I'm literally from head to toe soaked. stop at Ariel, Voyage of the Little Mermaid, before we go to our fast pass for Mine Train. But we're gonna ride Ariel, and then depending on the wait, we might meet her in her grotto, which is super cool. So I'll see you on the ride. We're in Ariel with Mommy. We're going underwater. Oh my goodness. Wow. Who's that? Ariel, my favorite character. What do you call him? Oh, feet. Fun in your fins, you know. My dress is glowing. Your blood is glowing. Your ears are glowing.
Oh, you're all over the ocean floor, aren't they?
Ariel! Really?
Yeah.
Was it super fun?
Yeah.
Is she your favorite?
Yes. And she saw my mermaid on Ariel on my magic band.
She did?
And I told her that she was my favorite princess.
Really?
And she
Show me
said
the face you made when you saw Ariel. We're getting on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Here we are in the very, very back. We're eating right now, eating dinner at Cinderella's Royal Table. Here is, already broke into, I got appetizers. I had gotten the butternut squash soup, but I didn't like it, so I ended up getting apples. But then they also brought our main course.
Apples are poison.
Oh, better. False alarm. But I got the tenderloin of beef, and it was really, really good. I'm still eating it. And then they also brought a smoothie that's so delicious, but it's really thick, like a sorbet almost. So I'm using a fork. Oh. So I'll talk to you guys when
Oh my goodness, what's that?
the princesses come out.
The princesses come out.
I was seriously way too excited for these princesses.
That's not this movie.
I know. Let's totally ignore the fact that Aurora broke character to laugh at my mom's corny joke.
totally forgot to film about the dessert I got. It was very, very rich and had a weird texture, so my adorable little sister let me have one of her cupcakes. I gotta tell you guys a quick story about this cast member right here. So this is Adam. Adam's from PhotoPass. He gave me an awesome opportunity to not only talk to me for 15 minutes about working at Disney, but also take me around to get some photos in front of the castle. It was really late at night, and so everybody had left, so it was just me, Adam, and the castle.
The princesses come out.